living that life. We just living that life. Parking plots, living that life. We just living that life.
Okay, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. We just arrived in Ubud Bali, Indonesia, and all I know is that we are driving past this field and our taxi driver said that is bird fighting. So I'm not quite sure what to expect. Oh, this guy has a bird cage right here. But if you're a fan of this channel, you know that one of the most popular videos is cockfighting in the Philippines from 2 years ago. So I'm hoping this is gonna be interesting and you can hear people cheering. Bird fighting, bro? 20 minutes ago I had no idea this existed and we're gonna go peep it. Look at this guy's bird cage. Okay guys, what is going on? Oh, hello. Yeah, do you know what's going on?
No, it's a kind of competition, but I don't know how exactly.
You don't know what's going on yet. Oh my gosh. Can you tell me about this?
Yeah, this is a bird festival.
Bird festival?
Yeah, bird festival is 1 year, one time. This year.
Every year?
1 year, one time.
And how does it work?
This one, he give point. The bird when singing aloud, so long, and then the bird is just stay one stand only. The bird will be winner. They will character is like full power.
Full power?
Yeah, and then the singing is long.
Singing long and powerful and loud?
Yeah, loud.
So how do they know which bird is singing?
How many people is
These are the judges?
people, yeah, he give point. The different t-shirt he give point. He check all around and then he give point. When the bird is the winner, they give the red color. You see the flag in the hand?
The flag, yeah.
He give the red color, and number 2 he give the blue one.
Number 1 gets the red flag?
Yeah, red.
So that's the best bird?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, so now they're changing the bird. Everyone's...
Oke, selanjutnya kacer.
Okay, see you.
Okay, thank you, boss. Boss. So are people betting? Gambling?
No, not gambling. We just buy ticket and we get number 1, number 2. We get money. You know.
Oh, so you can bet for number 1, 2, 3. Like who will win?
Yeah.
Oh, you buy ticket for the number up here. So I can buy ticket for number 36. I win money.
Number 1. If you want, yeah, you can come inside.
Yeah.
Take picture. No problem. You tell my friend Tueka.
Yeah.
Excuse with him.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So they will do it again?
Yeah, again, you know.
Again.
Yeah,
Judging the birds on the loudness and like long and loud.
Ayo, kacer.
And how they play?
Yeah, the play.
How they move?
Yeah, move like like dance, you know.
Dancing,
Yeah.
singing,
power.
power.
Yeah. The
Oh,
voice power, you know.
Voice
strong.
power.
Yeah.
So how do they know which bird is singing?
Ayo.
You know,
Oke ya. Ayo yang masih di luar segera memasuk arena ayo.
people come inside, yeah, they can hear.
They can hear.
Yeah.
Kita tunggu masih satu.
Okay, so I'll explain to my dad what I just learned. So it's a bird pageant, and they're judging the birds. It's kind of like a dog pageant, like how amazing they are.
Oh yes.
How
Oke,
long
sudah kumpul semua.
they're singing, loudness,
Silakan digambar bareng.
how they dance, how they move, and they're just judges.
Let me see.
Yeah. So
3.
30 minutes ago, didn't know this existed, and here it is. Only in Bali, folks.
Okay, ayo bro.
Are they all canaries?
Ayo bos.
Are they all canaries?
Yeah, hi. I'm from Bali.
Yes.
Okay.
Only
See
in
the whole
Bali.
world?
Yeah.
So are all the birds canaries?
like we call name ketchup. Ketchup is the white and black.
White and black bird. Ketchups.
Yeah.
Oh, these are.
Anyway,
this one. The dancing boys dancing you heard.
yeah. Okay.
So the ones before this, what type were they? Were those canaries?
Canary.
And this is ketchup.
This is ketchup.
Oh, this is ketchup. So this is a different type. Oh, these are black and white.
Different type of birds
Yeah. Okay, let me know if you've ever seen this anywhere in the world. If this exists anywhere in the world, very interesting. See you in Bali.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
That's good.
Yeah, okay.
Very interesting.
Thank you.
Ayo 3-3. Pandau 3-3. Ayo 5-10. Iya 3-3. Iya. Ayo. Ayo Selawe.
What do you think about this?
It's a singing competition.
Yes.
Is that cool?
It's a bird singing
I
competition.
love it. And it has the judges
Yeah.
on the side trying to coax their bird.
Yeah, they're like blowing whistles. These guys are blowing whistles.
Panggilan terhadap kelas kenari standar Santigraha gantangan 01 19 41 47 46 36.
The cages are strung from a pergola and covered with a hood, which is removed to unveil the eagerly awaited contender, in this case, an orange red headed thrush called a sky dragon. To outshine his rivals, the contestant must pull out all the stops and sing in a consistent melodic style that defines him as a star of this avian Asian pop idol.
Oh.
Look at now new birds.
Now these orange and yellow ones come.
Ayo lovebird A, Ubud Kaca, tiket 80.000. Lovebird A, lovebird dewasa A, tiket 80.000, segera merapat.
Beautiful. These are like Jamaican colors.
They have like categories of bird, like last one was the black one.
Yeah. Bird keeping is deeply rooted in Indonesian society.
Indonesian songbirds need to be saved to sing.
Songbird competitions in Indonesia are big business, but there are fears that illegal bird trade is threatening some of Asia's most endangered species.
Ayo lovebird. Jangan sampai dengan teman-teman.
Anyway, you guys can read the Wikipedia, but 30 minutes ago we had no idea this existed, and that's one thing that's unique cultures around the world. There you go. Check it out. Yo, thanks for watching that video till the end. If you liked it, I guarantee you're gonna like the hundreds of other videos that I have on this channel. So right now, I would like to ask you to click that big ass subscribe button right now. It's totally free. It's just like following me on Instagram. It's just gonna make it a little bit more likely that YouTube suggests my videos to you down the road. And if you get bored of my face in the future, you can always just stop clicking on my videos and they will stop showing up as often. So thanks for helping me get to 100K. I'm gonna get back to work and I'll see you on the next video.